running like a child. Can feel the cold when I'm lost here with you, lost in you.
And this is take out really easy. And this is made of pumpkin. All pumpkin we cannot take out. Very hard.
Yeah.
Also the color also brown color. Here we use made of pumpkin and all pumpkin. We cannot use baby or small pumpkin. We cannot use it. We use made of and all pumpkin.
So they say the skin is very nutritious. Sorry teacher, I'm slow.
It's okay.
Is this one?
Yes. And half. And
Okay.
then 1 teaspoon salt.
1 teaspoon salt. Yeah?
And then 2 egg, 1/8.
1/8. Okay, so this is 1, this half, quarter, 8.
A little less. Yes.
Like, okay. I think that was a 9, but okay, 1/9.
And the paprika, 1 or 2 or 3 after you.
1 or 2 or 3.
I like paprika.
1,
Maybe 2 enough.
2. Middle.
Now eat for the salad. Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes. And 4 cup water.
4 cups of water. Okay. Mhm. Oh, sorry. And then 2 cups of wine.
And then this is pepper powder. And then this is lime basil. And this is pancake soup. We put salt, sugar, paprika, lemongrass, and then basil, and then pepper, and then turmeric oil. This is curry. Pancake soup, we put ginger. Now this is curry without ginger.
Okay.
The soup you do exactly the same with ginger?
Yeah, same thing. And then we put ginger.
Oh, wow.
Now this is curry, right?
Some it's soft.